Well, it's the perfect conspiracy, because as soon as you've seen it, you can no longer explain it.
Seen a dog and lost her creativity.
Yes, indeed, she has lost her creativity. I saw her the other night, and it was quite shit, and that's putting it nicely.
Oh, Bruce, don't know how you're allowed on the air, mate. Anyway, here is a little bit of the call that I got from her earlier. John Charlone from Entertainment Now. Is this Abby on the line?
Okay, no, I saw the fucking dog, man. I saw the dog. I saw it.
So Matt, you've seen the sewage dog?
Yeah, I've seen it.
But unlike many, you claim that it hasn't affected your creativity.
No, not at all. If anything, it's probably inspired me.
You used to be a respected comedian and actor. What do you do now?
Straight up.
I'd just like to show you some footage, so can you confirm this is you?
Oh my god. Yeah, mate. What are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Hey, what are you doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing, mate? Like,
Fucking street art.
oh dude, you're just pissing all over yourself.
Fucking.
How is this street art?
I know art, man. It's fucking.
I know art. I know you're just pissing on yourself in an alley.
Fucking ruined it.
How?
Yeah, it was a concept piece.
But the concept hasn't changed, has it, Matt?
I'll fucking piss on you.